Hey everyone, this is the design that we'll be creating today. I'm calling it Black Opal Ice Nails. We start off with our buffed tips and we give 2 thin layers of a black polish. I'm using Sina gel polish. Cure 30 seconds in between. Come back in for a second coat and do a full cure of 60 seconds. With the first nail, we're going to apply a diamond no white top coat from NSI, and we're going to do a full cure for 60 seconds. While that one's curing, on nail 2 we're going to apply NSI Blooming Gel. And with the Blooming Gel we do not cure. If you don't have Blooming Gel, you can use a base coat, just any gel base coat. It just may not run as much as what the Blooming Gel does. And then we're going to apply the NSI Cat Eye. This is in gold. Just random diagonal patterns on the nice long nails. You can use a detailer brush to refine your design, although with the Blooming Gel the lines that I was putting through disappeared pretty quick anyway. Use your magnet with the cat eye to pull up your glitter particles and then cure for 60 seconds. We're going to apply the Holo powder over the diamond no white top coat nail that has now fully cured. I do find on some of the coats it's better to press the Holo powder into the top coat rather than wipe. Give it a dust off with a soft brush and put that aside for the next one. Next we're going to, on nail 3, we're going to apply the cat eye, the gold cat eye, just straight over the black polish. In nice random lines, just recreating that lovely marbled effect of the lines through the marble or through stone or quartz. Some parts thicker and some parts thinner. When you're happy with that design, you can use your magnet again and move the particles around. And give it a cure for 30 seconds. So this is nail number 2 with the Blooming Gel. And we head back to the nail number 1 and we add the cat eye gel to this nail, just in similar parallel lines and shapes to the diagonal holo that we already have. making sure to leave enough black so that the Holo and the Cat Eye really pop against that black background. Use the magnet again on the Cat Eye. You can see already that's looking really nice. This is nail number 3, and we're going to apply a blooming gel onto that cured nail. Then we're going to grab our Sina white polish. I think that's GP33, and a little bit of the Sina black polish, GP31, and we're going to apply the white and some of the black into the nail. You'll be able to see that the white instantly starts to bloom and separate and create a beautiful marbled effect with very little effort. We're going to repeat this process on all 3 nails, doing the blooming gel, the white gel polish and the black gel polish. Once we're happy with that design, we will cure for 30 seconds, then diamond no wipe top coat and a full cure for 60 seconds with the top coat. Now we're going to prepare for the Holo veins across the top coat by buffing with our Endurance Buffer, our 240 grit Endurance Buffer. The Holo powder will stick to the top coat surface, but it will not stick to a matte surface that has been buffed. Here you can use a matte polish, but I do find the buffer works better. And using the NSI Black Gel Liner, we just apply our random veins through the design. Cure each of those nails for 60 seconds. Repeat this process on all the nails. Nice irregular lines, mimicking the cracks through the marble. And then we're going to apply our Holo powder. And remember, these have all been cured for 60 seconds. So either gently wiping with a sponge applicator across the veins, but if you're having trouble with it sticking, you can just press into, as I'm doing here, press the powder into the black gel liner. You can see how beautifully and easily the Holo powder applies to the nails. Once you're happy, we'll give each nail a dust off with a soft brush, and you can see none of the holo powder has stuck to the buffed surface at all. Now we get to see the reveal as we apply the final diamond no wipe top coat. You can see instantly the colours will pop through. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with this design. I was so excited just seeing those gorgeous cat eye colours and the holo come through. Remember to cap your free edge and a full cure for 60 seconds. We'll watch that process again. So we can see the beautiful designs really popping out and showing through. And again on the final nail. Isn't that stunning? Here's the 3 nails finished, and they are absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.